Starting our morning walk in Prague. Arrived last night. This is just around the corner from our apartment. We're heading to a gardens on a hill for a view of the city. Right, we're heading up that hill for our morning walk towards that tower up there. You can see it in the distance. It's a long way away, I know. Supposed to be a view out from up here, but I'm a bit dubious with all these trees. Well, what's that? We'll figure out where these things are and what they are eventually. Right. Oh, I think I'd prefer to be walking up steps. It's so steep. Pretty though. Oh, here's our first bit of a view of the city. Always seem to be looking into the sun when we go out. Oh, we're on a dirt track now. It's a beautiful area for walking though. It's very much like home in New Zealand. And the temperature's about 14 degrees Celsius. It's beautiful. Well, be careful what you wish for. I think we found the main road up. Looks like cars could come up here. I think we found a church. Something there as well. The mirror maze. I don't know what that is. And then over here somewhere, up there, is the tower. They probably want the trees to be nice and high so you can't see out, then you pay to go up there.
To walk the stairs up it.
Okay. So we found the rose garden and the observatory over there. It's a beautiful park. Garden. It's a garden. Seminary Garden. Found a slightly better view of the back of the church and of the tower here. Just on our way back from the observatory. Okay, we couldn't find anywhere with a view out to the city from the top because of all the trees, so we're going to try a different spot. Heading back down and I'm guessing back up. So we've lost quite a bit of altitude now. Still in the park, or in the gardens I think, because there's a lot of fruit trees here. Beautiful building up there. And then we're heading over this way, which is still kind of part of the gardens we think. There's even a small vineyard on the side of the hill here. Okay, we've found a good view now. I'll put up the name of the place that's behind us, which I'll show you in a minute. I won't be able to pronounce it. It's up the very back of the gardens. And there's a tower over there. Oh, here's this place here. Oh, so in English it's Strahov Abbey. I could have pronounced that. Just come inside the courtyard for a bit more of a look at the building. You probably won't be able to see it, but in the distance there you can see the river. Is it the Danube, love?
Soon so, I don't know.
Must be. Yeah, so if you see that big dome, the green dome in the middle there, once we get past this bush, that big green dome in the middle there is St. Nicholas's Church, I think, and that's right beside our apartment. Making our way back down from the gardens now, through the streets near the Prague Castle. We might have to look up what that building is. Looks quite new. Too new to be the castle, surely. Yeah. There's the castle. Look back over there, there's the hill with the gardens on it that we walked up to. Oh, this is the Matthias Gate, I think. So it might not be the castle. Probably should explain that we don't research these things so much beforehand. A, because we don't have a lot of time to do it, and B, because we don't like to spoil the surprise of coming here. So we don't go looking everything up before we get here, just in case you're wondering. And then once we're here, we see where everything is, work it out on the map, name it all, and look it up and research it a bit later. That's just the way we like to do things. It's called no spoilers. They just stand there all day in a suit like that. Jeepers. Well, we didn't come early enough to beat the crowds today. It's about 10:30 now, after we've walked up that hill. We might come back another morning, see if we can dodge a few people. Wow, look at that from the outside. That is huge. Taking the steps back down from the castle. Lots of heavy breathing coming past us here. This is the other side of that St. Nicholas Church, one with the big green dome. It's just around the corner from our apartment. Can't see the dome from here. These are all the bars and restaurants getting set up just in front of our apartment. These were all full last night when we arrived. So, let me show you. Yeah, our apartment is just in there behind the graffiti. Okay, just a quick video walkthrough of our apartment in Prague. Before we leave, we've just packed up, ready to go. It's the first time it's been tidy enough since we got here. And we're sitting area on the balcony out here. Little balcony, and it's the St. Nicholas's church up there with the tarpaulin on it. Right, let's have a quick look. Storage area. Kitchen hasn't got an oven, but good cooktops, lots of pots and plates and glasses, good fridge, sitting area and table there, washing machine under there, nice big bedroom here, good sized bedroom, plenty of storage for your stuff. Not sure what's in that cupboard, must be just a storage cupboard, and then a bathroom here, good sized bathroom, toilet and shower there. Yeah, it's been a really good place. Right, that's us. Got to go catch our tram to the train station. Cheers.